Hey guys, welcome back to Limited Productions. Today we're featuring a different car compared to the last ones that we've done. It's a classic. So my dad actually built this, and yeah,
Hi, I'm Rick Cooper. This is my 1934 Ford Sedan. Yeah, this project started off as a dream back when I was early teenagers. In those days I used to love Ford Capris, and my dream was to build a car and use Ford Capri engine at least. But anyway, the dream's changed. So I started this project in 2009, end of 2009, and I bought a fiberglass body. It's actually a copy of an American bodied 34 Ford, a bit different to an Australian Ford, and I built it from scratch. And I actually bought a donor car, which was a Toyota Sora V8, and I used everything out of that donor car, including the seats, absolutely everything. The main reason I chose a Sora as a donor car is that I had one up on a hoist years ago, and I was underneath and I saw the rear suspension first, and I thought, wow, what a good donor car, because it's independent rear suspension and the whole lot bolts in. So, and then I looked at the front suspension and it's basically the same, it's bolt in. So they were the two main factors, plus the fact it has a V8, which is an added bonus. And yeah, it was a good donor car. Yeah, so I started, as I said, I started from scratch with two chassis rails, replica chassis rails from America, and built the chassis up, and then started building the body. And then the fiberglass shell was just what they call, as they call, a floppy body. So it's just a shell. So I had to build a steel frame inside the body because fiberglass doesn't have any strength on its own. So, and then I had to build the doors complete, and then I painted the car, obviously, and I painted the car myself. The only thing I didn't do was the upholstery. The upholstery was out of my league, but I did absolutely everything else. The whole car I built myself. Yeah, so as I said, I started in 2009 and I finished the car, completed the car in 2016, November 2016. That was its final inspection. The process involved 3 inspections. First inspection was for what they call a rolling chassis, and then the car finished building but before painting, and then the final inspection, which is a finished car ready for registration. So the engine is a 1UZFE Toyota V8 quad cam, 32 valve. A neat little engine. They're alloy, all alloy, so it's not heavy. And then, as I said, I incorporated all the suspension components, but I even included the wheels. The wheels are Toyota Sora wheels, which I painted up and put Ford V8 stickers in to make them look a bit different. And it has, I've kept everything, as I said before, the ABS brakes, cruise control, telescopic electric steering column. I kept the seats, and it's got the original Toyota stereo amplifiers and subwoofer and everything. I had to use a different head unit because the original one's a big one. Yeah, so it's a pretty good build, all right. Air conditioning, I kept the Sora air conditioning. I had to actually cut it into 4 pieces and plastic weld it together. I taught myself to plastic weld to make it fit. And it's climate control air conditioning, so it's all automatic, and it has 2 memory positions in the electric seats, so pretty classy for an early model, a 1991 model Sora. At this stage the engine is stock, standard, but I have fitted headers and a bigger exhaust system. It goes into a 3-inch single exhaust, and a pod air filter, free flow air filter, And we put on the dyno, which puts about 205 wheel horsepower, I think it was, which is roughly equates to about 280 engine horsepower, which is a bit more than standard, but it performs quite well. The total weight of the car is 1460 kilos, so it goes pretty good. So when I built the car, I never ever intended it to be a show car. So it's not the paint job and everything, it's not show class. It looks good, but it's not show class. But I wanted it to be a daily driver, and it's got full registration. And because my main aim was to build a car and enjoy it, which is what I do. I do enjoy it.
Alright, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you later. See you next time.